Hello, everyone. Thank you for listening in. My name is Susanna Kass. It is absolutely a pleasure today for me to actually join by someone who I truly admire in the industry that I learned so much from is Mr. Jaap Zuilderveld from NVIDIA. He actually is an amazing entrepreneur, need no introduction. Given his extensive international business management background, he has groomed so many businesses over his 20 years of accomplishment. Today, we're really very, very privileged to actually have him spend a few minutes with us to talking about the topic that you all hear about every day, AI, and what the impact is going to be for the hyperscaler data center of the future, and what might be some of the key insight and imperatives that we all need to listen and learn from him, from his infinite wisdom and the time that he has spent with his customers on what the digital infrastructure investment is going to be, also on the topic of sustainability, which is a key topic to me that I'm very passionate about as a data center advisor to the UN SDG program and also the operating partner for digital gravity infrastructure. So Jaap, thank you for being with us today.
Thank you.
It is really joyful to see you.
Appreciate it, thank you.
Well, since we met last time in France, the business continued to grow for the cloud computing. To be specific, AWS continued to take a lead. This business is running at a 300 billion annual run rate with 6.98 billion in terms of operating income in just one quarter. And we are absolutely seeing the growth and acceleration caused by AI and generative AI. What we'd like to learn today from Jaap specifically is what is really the impact and what is really happening right now in the industry. Can you share with us what you see every day and how you actually share your excitement in terms of architecting all the changes and the growth in the industry?
Yeah, of course. So first of all, I really believe that today when we talk about accelerated computing, that's for me equal to sustainable computing. Yeah? And AI compute requirements cannot be sustainable met without accelerated computing. So you will need accelerated compute to do AI. AI requires also a full stack data center scale approach to accelerate computing. So it's not only the compute, but the systems, the network, the storage, and the complete software stack. Previously, when we talked about niche solutions, like for example for supercomputer environments, like for example liquid cooling, will become a de facto standard for the next generation AI supercomputers or AI super data centers. Today, and this is really important, roughly 30% of the IT energy is consumed by compute, and 70%, because that's what nobody talks about, is IT energy is consumed by moving data across the internet and across the data center. Much of today's retrieval-based model of compute, think of, for example, of scrolling on your phone or scrolling, for example, on your desktop, will be replaced by new generative AI models or new generative AI models of compute. You'll move your compute to your data. That's basically what's going to happen. This requires hybrid multi-cloud solutions, and as a result, new data centers can be placed near renewable power sources with generative AI models moved to the data source, saving tremendous amount of energy versus moving data to the central compute like it is today. That's my view.
Wow. It is indeed actually not just a mega trend, but a paradigm shift in terms of the entire compute architecture. For the 30 years I've been in this industry, this is really exciting. So thank you so much in actually sharing with us your insight. By having the compute at the data enabled by generative AI, no wonder, Jaap, the excitement in the industry predicting that for generative AI, is going to be expected to be 11 to 17 trillion businesses. In comparison to the UK GDP, it's about 2.27 trillion, growing at a 0.2% rate. So this is really exciting, and I have no doubt we're absolutely going to bring you back to learn more from you in terms of the progress we made. Thank you for being with us today.
Thank you. Thank you very much.